Mike Kellum here. Thanks a lot for watching. I just wanted to reach out and let everyone know there's a lot of uncertainty these days in the new vehicle market. But here at Chev, we wanted to provide a little bit of clarity on some tariffs, but most importantly on pricing. While the tariff implications seem to be very uncertain, what we do know right now is that we have some great pricing on in-stock vehicles that are not subject to tariffs whatsoever. We also have the opportunity from General Motors for you to lock in your price at current pricing when you come in and see us and order a vehicle before April 30th. So if you're someone who's in the market for a vehicle now, or someone who's thinking about getting a new vehicle in the next few months, we know that we can offer you some of the lowest rates we've seen in the last few years, some great pricing without any tariffs or price increases, and the ability to lock in the price it is today for when your order arrives. Please, if you're thinking of buying a vehicle, reach out to us so we can show you what we can do. Come in, order one, or take a look at some of our in-stock inventory and lock in your price today. Thanks.